Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to build a video editor portfolio on Wix. If you're a budding video editor or a seasoned professional looking to showcase your talent, attract new clients, or simply enhance your online presence, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to explore how you can create an impressive portfolio website using Wix, even if you have no coding skills or experience with complex design software. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized website that you can proudly present to the world. So let's get started on this exciting journey. Building a professional-looking video editor portfolio doesn't have to be overwhelming. The key is efficiency, and that's what we are focusing on today. Instead of starting from scratch, we'll leverage Wix's built-in templates. Think of these templates as the perfect frame for your artwork, providing a professional structure and look. This way, you won't have to worry about designing the layout from the ground up. Templates are especially beneficial for beginners and busy creatives who want to get inspired by ready-made designs and then easily customize them to reflect their unique style and personality. To start, you need to head over to your Wix site dashboard. Once you're there, click on the Create New Site button. This is your launching pad, your starting point for a fresh website project. Wix will prompt you to select the type of website you want to build. Since our focus is on creating a video editor portfolio, go ahead and choose the Studio category. This selection will guide Wix in showing you a variety of studio-related templates designed specifically for creative professionals like yourself. Now, take your time to scroll through the array of templates. This is an important step, akin to picking out a suit that you want to feel both confident and comfortable in. Choose a template that resonates with your personality and professional vibe. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting one labeled Video Editor Portfolio, but feel free to choose any template that speaks to you. Remember, you'll have the opportunity to customize it thoroughly to make it your own. Once you've selected your desired template, Wix will seamlessly transition you into the website editor. This is where the real fun begins. Although the template provides a solid foundation, it's time to personalize it and make it truly yours. Click on any heading or title to type in your own name, a catchy tagline, or even your favorite quote about filmmaking. The same goes for images. Replace the existing visuals with samples of your best editing work. If you have before and after shots from a project or a short demo reel, this is the perfect opportunity to showcase them. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to swap out text and pictures, so there's no need to worry if you're not a tech expert. If you're feeling adventurous and want to further personalize your site, explore the options for adjusting colors, fonts, and background styles to align with your creative brand. Every change you make is instantly visible, allowing you to see what works best. Take your time with this part of the process. It's essential to ensure that everything feels authentic to you, as your website serves as a digital handshake between you and your future clients. Making it memorable and personal will leave a lasting impression. And don't forget, Wix allows you to preview your edits as you go, so you can always see how your site will appear on different screens. Once you're satisfied with your customizations and everything looks perfect, it's time to go live. Simply click the Publish button located in the top right corner. This is an exciting moment. Wix will spin up your website within seconds, with no waiting or complicated steps involved. Once it's published, click on Go to Live Site, and you'll see your work up and running on the internet, ready to be shared with potential employers, collaborators, or friends. And there you have it. You've successfully built a stunning video editor portfolio with maximum efficiency and minimum fuss. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up as it really supports the channel. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below if you have any questions about customizing your site or if you need advice on what to showcase in your portfolio. And if you're looking for more tutorials on building your creative business, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to build a video editor portfolio on Wix. If you want more videos like how to build a video editor portfolio on Wix, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.